Did you know that navigating a probate home sale without the right roadmap can cost you thousands of dollars and months, even sometimes years of avoidable stress? And what if I told you there's one critical mistake that nearly every executor or administrator makes that guarantees a prolonged and painful process? Hi there, and welcome back to California Probate Real Estate Made Simple. I'm Gary DiGrazia, your go-to resource for everything California probate real estate related. And today, whether you're an executor, an administrator, or just a concerned family member, this video is precisely for you. I'm tackling the complex world of probate home sales. This isn't just a guide. It's your essential checklist designed to transform a potentially overwhelming journey into a clear, step-by-step process. I'm going to break down every critical phase, from obtaining your letters to closing, ensuring that you understand exactly what to do and when to do it. By the end of this video, you'll have an actionable plan that will minimize delays, maximize the property's value, and confidently fulfill your fiduciary duties. We'll cover everything from getting your letters of testamentary to understanding the nuances of court-confirmed sales. Step 1, engage a qualified California probate attorney. Although in California, retaining a probate attorney isn't mandatory, it is highly suggested. This is the absolute first step for a reason. Before you do anything else, consult with an experienced probate attorney. They will assess the specific situation, determine the type of probate that is needed, explain your fiduciary duties, and clarify whether the estate has full authority under the Independent Administration of Estates Act or requires court confirmation. Skipping this foundational step can lead to significant errors, delays, and even personal liability down the road. So don't look at this as optional. Look at this step as your critical first line of defense and guidance. And a quick but vital tip here. Don't just Google probate attorney near me. The best way to find a truly qualified attorney is often through a referral from a probate experienced realtor. Not just any realtor, but one who specializes in probate real estate. If you don't already have or know a realtor with extensive probate experience, and you want a referral for a probate attorney, feel free to email me directly or just type in the comments that you'd like an attorney referral and what county you're in. I maintain relationships with top probate attorneys in all 58 counties across California, ensuring that I'll get you connected with the right expert for your specific needs. Step 2. File the initial probate paperwork. Once advised by your attorney, this is where the formal legal process begins. Your attorney will prepare and file the necessary petition with the county court. This initial filing officially opens the probate case and is the crucial predecessor to obtaining those letters that I was talking about. And those letters are your official authorization to act on behalf of the estate. Step 3, obtain letters of testamentary or letters of administration. After the initial paperwork is filed and approved by the court, you will be issued these official letters. This document is your court-ordered authorization to act as the legal representative, either the executor or the administrator of the estate. Without these letters, You can't legally manage the estate's assets, including the real property. This step is a direct result of properly navigating the first two steps. Step 4, secure and assess the property. Immediately after receiving your letters, secure any vacant property. Change the locks, ensure utilities are on, and obtain appropriate insurance. Securing the home quickly can prevent costly vandalism or unpermitted occupancy. Plus, you need to know the property's condition before you can even think about selling it. Step 5, obtain a probate referee appraisal. You'll need to work with a probate referee appointed by the court to establish the inventory value of all property, including real estate. This appraisal helps fulfill a legal requirement and is particularly important if you have limited authority. However, it's crucial that you understand this appraisal by the probate referee is not an official property appraisal that represents market value. The dollar amount provided typically does not accurately reflect what the home will actually sell for. The probate referee doesn't enter the home. The probate referee certainly doesn't take into consideration the property's current condition, any needed repairs, or other material facts that truly affect what a buyer is willing to pay. And you got to remember this: a home's market value is ultimately determined by what a qualified buyer is willing to pay for it. Therefore, when it comes to setting your listing price for market, it's essential that you work with an experienced probate real estate agent. Their expertise will help you determine the most realistic and competitive price, rather than relying solely on the probate referee's valuation. Step 6, determine necessary repairs and improvements. This is where strategic decisions come into play. A good probate agent can advise on whether minor cosmetic updates like fresh paint or landscaping will yield a higher return, or if selling the home as is a better approach. Don't overspend. Focus on maximizing value for the specific market conditions of the area the home is located in. Step 7, clear out personal property. This can be emotionally challenging, but it needs to happen. Coordinate with the other beneficiaries and heirs for personal item removal. Consider having an estate sale or arrange for donations. Just remember this: the home needs to be broom clean for optimal showing. Step 8, partner with a probate real estate specialist. This is not your average real estate agent. You need someone intimately familiar with California probate code, local court procedures, and the unique disclosures and timelines that are involved. I understand the difference between an I.A.E.A sale and a non-I.A.E.A sale, and I can help guide you through either one of those processes. That's what you're looking for in your real estate agent. Step 9, strategically price the property. Your probate agent will perform a comprehensive market analysis, combining current market conditions to help set an attractive and accurate listing price. The goal is to generate strong buyer interest. Step 10, market and show the property. Your probate agent should make the arrangements for professional photography, virtual tours, and have a robust marketing plan in place, as all of this is essential. Your agent will manage all the showings, open houses, and inquiries ensuring maximum exposure to qualified buyers for probate sales. Transparency is key. Step 11, receive and evaluate offers. Your probate agent will present all offers, explain the terms, and help you negotiate. But be prepared for specific probate addendums and terms that differ from standard real estate transactions. Step 12, close escrow. Your probate attorney and probate agent will oversee the final paperwork, including the notice of proposed action, the federal tax statement letter, and the administrator or executor's deed. Once the sale is closed, the proceeds from the sale will go into the estate's bank account, not directly to any of the heirs. This will clear the way for final distribution. Remember that one critical mistake I mentioned at the beginning that cost administrators and executors hundreds, if not thousands of dollars and endless delays? It's simple, yet profound. Not hiring a truly specialized probate real estate agent from the very beginning. That's the critical misstep. Many administrators and executors, in an effort to save money or just out of unawareness, hire a general real estate agent who lacks the specific knowledge of California probate code, court procedures, timelines, and probate specific disclosures. Or they hire a friend or a family member who has a real estate license. This is the wrong approach. Keep in mind, this isn't a general sale. This is a probate sale. You want a probate specific realtor to handle this sale for you. If not, it could often lead to missed deadlines, improper filings, invalidated contracts, and ultimately a much longer and more expensive process. Look at it this way. If you wanted to get in shape, you could hire a personal trainer to help you. But if you wanted to climb Mount Kilimanjaro, you'd want to hire a mountain climbing expert to help train you, right? Think of a probate sale as Mount Kilimanjaro and an experienced probate agent, your mountain climbing expert. A probate real estate specialist understands the nuances, ensures compliance, and proactively navigates potential pitfalls, safeguarding the estate's assets and your responsibilities. Someone like me is your co-pilot through this complex journey that you're on. So there you have it, your California probate home sale checklist. While this guide provides a solid foundation, remember this: every probate is unique. You don't have to navigate this complex legal and real estate landscape alone. So if you're facing a probate home sale anywhere in California and want to ensure a smooth, efficient, and profitable process, I invite you to reach out. You can click the link in the description below to download my free comprehensive California probate home sale checklist. It's packed with even more detail and resources for you. And if you're ready to discuss your specific situation, or maybe you want a referral for a qualified probate attorney, go ahead and schedule a non-obligation consultation with me. The link to my calendar is in the video description, or you can scan the QR code found on this channel's homepage. I am here to help you turn this challenge into a success story. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for more expert probate real estate insights. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my valuable videos. Share these videos with anyone who you think would benefit. But for now, I just want to say thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.